How to delete your account bio history on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your account's bio history on your Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Insta. After you've opened it up, go to your profile on the bottom right. Now after you've done that, tap on the three lines on the top right. Now what you'll need to do is scroll down till you find your account, your activity. Now after you're on your activity, you can scroll down and you should see something like account history. Now it's under how you use Instagram. Tap on account history and under there you will see so many options. Now go to update type and select bio only. Tap on apply. And now you will see your bio history. Now here, if you tap on one, you will get redirected to your edit profile section. Now if you want to clear this, tap on clear, and yeah, that is basically it. That is how you can clear it, but the bio does not completely get cleared. It will still stay there. So yeah, that is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.